Okay, you guys, so I did not realize that I'm live, but I am over here at a beach. I'm at Island of Palms Beach, and I just wanted to come check it out because I was already out here over in Charleston, so figured I might as well just come check this beach out. And then after that, I'll get some food or maybe ice cream. But yeah, let's see what's out here, you guys. I don't think I've ever been to Island of Palms. I don't think. Pretty sure I haven't. I'm trying to see where the beach access is, because usually they'll just say it. Beachfront dining. I don't want dining right now. Let me just cross all the way. Don't want dining. Just want to get to the beach for real. I mean, I can certainly get there through this park. I want to keep walking because I want to make this video be mainly about being on the beach versus trying to get to the beach. But after we get to the beach, then I'll get some food or ice cream. I'm just excited. I love being at the beach, you guys. Even though I have socks on, and I have Crocs on, and I have not really the best beach outfit, but it's more about the vibes versus what you're wearing, I think. And I may be by myself, but I could have walked in that part right there. But no, I just really wanted to go to the beach. Like, I don't even know what hotel I'm under. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's people. There's so many people. I just wanted to see the beach real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Everyone's wearing regular clothes, so I'm so glad I'm not looking awkward. Everyone has their shoes off. Let me go ahead and take... Oh my goodness. Definitely don't want to have my shoes on in this. I mean, I could, but no. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Hopefully I don't get too cold. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. So crazy, y'all. I did not know I was gonna be at the beach right now. I did not know I was gonna be coming over to to Charleston right now. But we're here. Personally, I wanted to end the year like this anyways, on the beach. I said I wanted to travel, and here I am on the beach. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys. Y'all. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. I think I should get closer. I'm gonna go up there, but I'm not trying to get no one's kids in the video. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hopefully my feet don't get cold, but it's warm, surprisingly. It's not freezing. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of people up there. I'm not gonna go straight to the water, y'all. I'm not putting my feet in that water, but I mean, I shouldn't I? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm definitely gonna go up there. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna touch the water. Whoa, you guys. I'm gonna have to get some seashells. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get some seashells. My feet are getting kind of cold. Okay, I'm gonna touch the water. Oh my god, then my feet will be really wet and cold. It's okay. It's worth it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm touching the water, y'all. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that cold. It is cold, but it's not freezing. Yeah, I'm trying to find seashells. I was about to call them snowflakes. Oh my god. No, my feet are cold now. It's okay. It's worth it. See if we can find any seashells, y'all. I see some, but they're not cute, you know? I wanna get like one cute one and then I'll leave. Oh my god. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's hard not to look at. Look at the sunset. What a way to end tonight, you guys. I definitely wanted to end Vlogmas. Well, I mean, obviously we still have a few more days, but I definitely wanted to do a traveling stream. I know y'all didn't see me come here, but that's because it was just driving. I feel like y'all like the end result better than the ride. If I could find a nice seashell, then I'll be happy. There's a bunch of seashells right here. But will I find a cute one, you guys? We don't know. But that's just what I love about being close to the beach. Like, you can come here every day, honestly. But no one comes here well, some people. I wouldn't come here every day, though. Because there's other stuff to do, you know? You can't just be here all the time. I'm actually only going to be here for like 30 minutes. Oh, wait, I think I found a nice one, guys. Shoot, how do I pick it up? Hold on. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. Had to make sure that it was gonna be good, you know? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I can't. You see the bird? The bird flying. Y'all, I'm trying to find more seashells. I could obviously just put them in my bag, so maybe I can get a few more. But they gotta be cute. They gotta be worth it. Because I've had a lot of seashells over the years, and some I just don't do anything with them. Most of them I don't do anything with them. It's beautiful, you guys. Literally. Oh, you know what? Is the pier close enough that I could walk on it? I don't know. It seems a little far out there, but... Because I don't want y'all to be bored just looking at sand. I guess looking at water is kind of the same thing, but... At least it's the beach. Like, who doesn't want to look at the beach? Like, this... It's amazing. But I think I'm going to try to look for some more seashells, because I was gonna go to the pier, but it's kind of far, so I don't know about that. I was gonna show y'all, but I don't want to get no one in the video. Wow, you guys. Just looking at, like, you know, the sand, the water, all this stuff, it just really makes you appreciate it. It's crazy. I want to find more seashells, but I don't know if I'll be able to, y'all. But if I can, I will. Because I'd have to go really in there to get some. I don't know about that, you guys. I didn't think that this many people would be at the beach, honestly. But it's funny. It's just fun to think I'm not the only one that wants to end the year at the beach. Like, I mean, some people, not very many, but some people are actually in the water. Like, there's like 3 people in the water. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I honestly want to put my shoes back on. My socks are off, my shoes are off, my feet are cold, but it's beautiful, you guys. It's just beautiful. Look at the moon. Look at the moon in the sky right above the beach, you guys. This is beautiful. It's magical. I got my seashell, so I don't know. I think that me having my seashell makes it so I'm ready to go. I know I said about 30 minutes, but I mean, shoot, I guess I could get a few more minutes. Why not? I don't be at the beach very often. I don't know if I'm going to be at the beach again before the end of the year, but I know I'm going to be at the beach next year for sure. Actually in the water with my swimsuit. Oh, there's one person on the pier, I think. Unless it's something else, but... Oh my gosh, y'all. I kind of don't want to walk away, but I can't stay here forever. I still have to drive back home. Let's just look at the water for a little bit. Like, why not? It's not very often that you see, like, waves all the time, you know? And, you know, I always wanted to get a long video of waves just to be able to put it on YouTube. And here we are. That's so funny. We went full circle with it. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I can't even. The moon sitting just right. And the beach and the seashells. I promise you, this is what life's all about, you guys. You don't need all that expensive stuff sometimes. Sometimes you just need to come to the beach and relax. If I had a little chair, I would sit down, but I should get a video for just my phone before I leave. This is just beautiful. Wow. Wow, it really puts it in perspective, you guys. When you're just here standing at the beach, you know, it really does make you think of a lot of stuff. I think it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I gotta put my shoes back in my hand. Can't leave my shoes. So comfortable here. It almost makes you feel like you're at home, but you know you're not. Like if only we could all have a sleepover here or something. That'd be fun. Well, y'all, it's been about 16 minutes here. And as lovely as it is and as amazing as this is, I'm gonna have to go soon. For one, I want to eat some food here. Some food I haven't had. And for two, it's getting late. But this was worth it. It really was. It's just beautiful. Can y'all see that star way over there? The moon. I love it. Cotton candy sky, you guys. It looks so beautiful. It's crazy because as far as it is from my house, to spend only even 10 minutes here is still feels like a lot. Like, feels like I'm getting what I wanted out of it just by standing here. Like, it's all about perspective, y'all. But I think, oh y'all, there's a plane. Now that's cute. That's real cute. But I think I am gonna go, y'all. It's getting later and I don't want to be driving at nighttime, so I'm gonna get some food. I have to figure out, oh look, you guys can see the moon right there. But I have to figure out how to dry my feet, because, I mean, honestly, I might just dry my feet off in the car. I could just put my Crocs on. This was just amazing. I just loved it. Like, y'all, maybe I should get the view of, like, walking away at least. If I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh, I don't want to go, but I have to go, y'all. I think I'll do another stream at the beach, maybe before the year ends. Who knows? Because we still have a few more days, and may want to bring someone with me to experience it. So, but oh my gosh, y'all. Ooh, should I take a picture before? Should I take a picture? You know what? I'll have to screenshot something. But whatever. I don't need a picture. I'll just come back. I'll just come back and do it. Oh my gosh, you guys. My feet are getting less cold now that I'm in the sand. I think they're somewhat drying off. Oh my gosh, y'all. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh. I'm heading now. Oh my gosh. This is not the same one that I was on. Hold on, y'all. Let me go on the other one, because this is not the same one. And I want to make sure that I'm not, going farther away from where I parked. Alright, I guess I'll put these on now. Y'all, this is not the same one, but it's similar, so I'll just use this one. You guys, we're going. We're going away. We're going away from the beach, and it's so beautiful, and I don't want to go, but we have to. But I had so much fun, you guys. I mean, I'm still gonna go get food with you guys, but I had a lot of fun just being here and seeing all this. Like, look at that. Even though I'm leaving, I love it here. Oh, there's some people coming.
Yo, we gotta see.
Oh my god, my seashell. I'm just happy being here, y'all. I love coming to the beach. Oh, y'all should see this big minion. Oh my god. They're having a ball. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely coming back before the end of the year, guys. Not necessarily to Island of Palms. Doesn't have to be this one. I mean, this one's cool. But I just want to check out more beaches here. I've been to Hilton Head, Folly Beach, obviously Myrtle, and now Island of Palms. I really want to see more. Let me go ahead and maybe I should dry my feet off now. Put my socks back on. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna have to put y'all down for a second. Get myself together. But no, guys, this was worth it. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, you guys, there's people. There's people. Oh my gosh, all this sand. Well, good thing I'm not staying out here for long, y'all. Because, no. Whoa. Okay. Alright, done with that. Now, I'm gonna walk this little strip and figure out what food that they got over here. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at the trees. It's beautiful. And I have ice cream. I mean, I could always just get a snack here and then go get food somewhere else, but I kind of wanted to see if maybe they had some tacos or something. I love tacos. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. The lights are so pretty. Look at the lights, y'all. I'm out on the town. I really don't want to face it that way all the way because, what is this? Low pizza? I love pizza. No shoes, no shirt, no service. Yeah. Hey. I don't know, y'all. There's a lot of people here. Check out the menu.
I just Googled it when I was coming over, and like the price came like half the price of what I paid for it for the ribs, right? Like, this whole shit, right? And I was like, booked it for December. It was always booked for December, right? Like, just because they probably didn't have it sold out. They were trying to figure it out. Right? You're getting a discount to fill it up during that time. Perfect. Yeah, because it's just like bite size. I wish I had done that too. I almost did. But I was like driving, so it's like I can't do anything about it, right?
Hello. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Can I do one of the chicken pesto small pizzas, please?
Yes. Here we go.
To go, please.
Just so you know, it's probably going to be about 30 minutes. Is that okay?
I mean, yeah, that should be fine, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, small chicken pesto.
Yes.
What's your name?
Shy. Excuse me, I have a question. Would the cheese take less time?
It would be the same.
Okay, thank
Sorry.
you. Okay, y'all, I tried to see if it would be quicker doing a different one, but no. I'm just gonna sit out here. Don't want to accidentally record anybody. There's plenty of seating out here. So with that being 30 minutes, hopefully it's a little less, but with that being 30 minutes, I mean, I can always walk around now and then come back in 30 minutes. If I find something quicker, which I don't think there'll be anything quicker, so I guess I'll just walk around for a little bit. I don't think she'll have a problem with me walking around. It'd be funny if I found a place for drinks. I mean, drinking by myself, I don't know. Usually don't do that. But I guess it's a little different. I'm on stream, but I don't know. I'm going into this little store, y'all. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. No drinks or ice cream in the shop. Wow, y'all. Look. Oh, y'all.
What are you doing?
Those are cute. Oh my gosh. And the flamingos. Why do I like flamingos now? I think it's because they're pink. Because I promise you, like, I like flamingos now. and I never really cared about flamingos for real. I think they're okay, but now, like, I like them way more.
What's up, Bubba?
What are these? Oh, what does your birth month shall say about you? October, an abalone. That's funny. An opal abalone. It looks like it. It literally looks like it. Where is it? These are so pretty. This one's just white. You can kind of see the opal. Opal has like all these different colors. in it, but these aren't black. Ooh, that one's pretty. October, you are gracious and kind to all. It is truly remarkable how patient you are. No matter what happens, your friends and family are very thankful for your sweetheart. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, look at that. Now, what if I just got a souvenir and said scratch the pizza? No, I'm kidding. I still want the pizza. I'm hungry. Oh. Oh, no, you guys, these are really nice. Wow, those make a lot of noise. I like those though. Let's see what else they got in this store. Oh, they got crystals. They got rose quartz. They got all of them, basically. Wow.
Oh no, I have. We got 7 takeouts to return tomorrow, so no, my priority is not that.
I don't know which one this one is.
So that thing was already not working.
These are so funny. Like,
Climb up there.
oh wow, that one's pretty.
It works. I earn my money. Like I earned way more than I.
Oh wow.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
This one's really pretty, y'all. Oh my god. Oh wow, these $6.99 for how much? Like that's the question. For like a bag full, I don't know. Fill the bag. Oh, for $6.99, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Cause you can get probably shoot. I would end up getting every. Oh my god. I already picked that one up. There's a lot of clear ones. Ooh. I mean, fill in the bag. It could take a while to fill up the bag. To be honest. Depends on how big the bag is. Those ones are pretty. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. More of these. I wonder why there's so many of these. Oh, these are just random toys. A picture frame. This is cute though. Like, let's be for real, that's cute. If you like take a nice picture here and you frame it, that's cute. More random toys. Picture frame, sunglasses, more flamingos. Oh, a snow globe. Okay, you guys, this is what I'm gonna have to figure out. What am I gonna start? What am I going to start? You know, what was I gonna say? Oh, collecting. I could do snow globes. Think about it. These are so cute. Shake them up. And I know I can find snow globes in other places as well. So I could really start collecting them. But do I have a place for them? No. Not really. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh my gosh. He just said hello.
Hello.
Oh my gosh. He's out here saying hello. Oh, ornaments.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, look at this one.
Hello.
I mean, I could do magnets.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Papa.
Look at these. Look at these. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi. You know, we're saying hi, you guys. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. I like these seashells, y'all. He's responding. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is real. Oh, this is really pretty. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm thinking about grabbing something, but I don't know what. It has to be something that I could really start collecting for real. I mean, I could use these or this, but no. More random stuff. What is this? A liquid timer. Oh, that's nice. Well, how long is it? Is it like 1 second? 2 minutes? How long? No way to tell. What is that? Why would they put that in there? What? Wait. Oh my god. This turns into that. Oh my god. They keep playing this song everywhere. Oh, they have, y'all, look what they have. They have people's names on bottles. I know they're not gonna have my name because they just never do. Look, Shannon, Scott, Sarah, Sam. Everything but Shy. And that's okay. Because I'm used to it. These are cute though. Oh, they have more. I won't have many more on them. M's. Let's see about the S's. If they at least have Shy, that'd be cool. They have an S. They usually have Leah. If I don't see any name, it would be Leah. But I don't go by Leah, so no point. See, look, there's Leah, but they never have Shy, and they never have Shy Leah. I mean, come on now. that was like a made up name from my parents. A cup. I mean, a cup is a nice collectible. I'm still trying to figure out what I should do. A wallet. I mean, I do need a new wallet, I'm not gonna lie. If they had different wallets. Oh, these are better cups. I like these ones. I don't necessarily need another cup. An ashtray is crazy. Why would I want an ash on it?
Have a good one. You too. Oh, no, no worries.
A bell? No.
I know, I was going to say.
I want a bell. Oh, a shot glass. Now, these could be something I start collecting, but still, you have to find somewhere to put these. That's the thing. That's why I don't even do collectibles, because I never know where to put the stuff. But I don't mind getting the shot glass, honestly. I think they're very cute and they're very cool. $9, $12, $10.99. That's a funny shot glass. What the world? Now this is really a collectible because what are you gonna do with this cup? This little thing is funny. Oh, well, there's more. Oh, that's really pretty though. Oh my god, that's really pretty. Y'all can't tell me this is not pretty, but what would I do with this? Just put jewelry in it or something? Like, it's really pretty. I definitely want to get something functional, I guess. I mean, it could be used as a shot glass. These are really pretty. Oh my god. I don't want to get something just to get something, but like, I do want to grab something. Oh, the plates. No. Plates are so hard to keep because, I mean, if you drop it, like, come on now. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. That's with any of these things, any of these glass things. If you drop them, then the memory's gone. But I don't know. Kind of puts something in perspective because some of these are glass. I wouldn't want to buy something and then it break and I can't use it no more. Oh, they got little bells. That's cute. I did say I was going to start collecting bells a while ago. I never did, but where do those other bells go? I know I saw other bells somewhere. Maybe they're on this one. These are just cups. I don't think I need the bell. Oh, I don't have any more crabs. I usually have crabs. Not all of them found at home. That's good. Whoa, so many cards. Oh my god. Jeez. Maybe I should just get some jewelry. I don't like all those decisions. Some earrings would be cute. As long as I don't lose them. Okay, get a keychain. Oh, a watch. I'm not gonna wear that watch. I already know it. Oh, they got anklets. Oh, these are cute. Oh, mirror. Bottle openers. Oh, I got sunglasses. Forgot about that. I mean, technically I don't have to get something, but I do want something. I can't think of anything though. Oh, they close in 5 minutes, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't think I want anything. Maybe I'll have to come back a different time and get a souvenir because I cannot.
YouTube. Oh, 7 minutes tarante.
You said you close in 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Y'all, I think I'm gonna have to get on out of here because I can't find anything. I don't want to get something just
If y'all
because.
know what you want, you can get it, but I closed at 6.
Oh, you're coming right now?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Have a good one. Happy holidays. I really couldn't figure out anything in there. But it's good because I'll probably come back another time and grab stuff because I just didn't want to just buy stuff just to buy stuff. I could not think of anything. And I was in there for a little bit. But y'all, I think I'm going to go check on this pizza. I wonder what time it is now though. 6 o'clock. Okay, I was only planning to stay out here till 6. So definitely gonna have to head back. And the sun is definitely set now. So it's time to see what this pizza's gonna come out. I'm fucking sick right here. Oh man, y'all, I don't think they're done yet.
I didn't realize. I thought it was like standing out and stuff and doing it maybe kind of around the beach, but it's not like that. It's not.
Yeah. 1665.
Thank you. You can take that for the tip.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Have a good one. Thank you. Y'all, let me show you this pizza before I go. Ooh. Hey, Mom. Yeah, I just headed to the beach before I came back. I'm heading home now. Yeah, I figured it was only 30 minutes away, so yeah. But I just got my pizza and I'm heading back now. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm coming to your house. Yeah. All right. All right. I'll see you soon. All right, love you. Bye. Okay, y'all, that was my mom. Y'all, that pizza looked amazing. I am definitely gonna be digging in here soon. I get my keys out. But you guys, I hope y'all had fun. Like, I'm about to just drive back home. And, I mean, I don't think y'all want to just look at me drive back home. So, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I will catch y'all guys when I do another one tomorrow. So hope y'all had a good night and this was fun and I love the beach and I just love hanging out with you guys. So I'll upload this to YouTube and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Beautiful night. Bye y'all.